Lapha bekusenyangeni ezimbili ezedlule. Umbhikisho we-EFF ubengemuva kokuthi umvikeli womphakathi ethola ukuthi umengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma wahlomula kungafanele ngesikhathi kuqiniswe zokuphepha emzini wakhe osenkandla okwadla izigidigidi zamarandi. Wathi kumele akhokhe ingxenye yemali eyasetshenziswa kungafanele. Kodwa ikomiti lePhalamende lisungulelwe ukubhekisisa imbiko eyehlukene ngodaba lomuzingameli enkandla libona ngenye indlela.
We are not opening any inquiry here, a new inquiry. Investigations have been done.
I-DA ikubeke kwacaca ukuthi izothatha inyathelo zomthetho uma ngabe uhulumeni ehluleka ukwenza izincomo zomvikeli womphakathi. Ithi impumelelo yayo ukusebenzisa inkantolo ukuphoqa isincomo somvikeli womphakathi sokuthi kumiswe isikhulu sakwa-SABC uHlawudi Mthweneng ibonisa ngokusobala ukuthi akumele ishaywe indiva izincomo zomvikeli womphakathi.
Her findings, as is the case in the Hlaudi Mthweneng case, depend on the fact that the person whose allegations have been leveled against, it's up to them to disprove them, but equally so they're only reviewable by court.
Uma ngabe lolu daba liphelele enkantolo, kuzomela uhulumeni achaze ukuthi kungani engazenzanga izincomo zomvikeli womphakathi.
Although the recommendations are not immediately enforceable, should a government department ignore those recommendations for no good reason, that government department can then be taken to court. And it would have to justify before court its having ignored them.
Kulindeleke ukuba luphothulwe ngesonto elizayo umbiko walo ikomiti lePhalamende elibhekisisa udaba lwasenkandla.